What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to show you this artificial eucalyptus tree by Garvee that they did send to me to do this video. It is hyper realistic, comes with its own plastic white pot and 50 LED lights to be wrapped around it, and it's 5 feet tall. The 50 LED lights come with this green box to power them that takes 3 AA batteries to power them, which are not included. There are 8 different light modes you can activate by using the top left black button on the green box or by using the included remote. That first mode is called combination, the second mode is in waves, the third mode is sequential, and then we have our fourth mode called slow glow, which the video doesn't really do it justice, but it slowly fades between dim and bright. Mode 5 is changing flash, and then we have mode 6, which is slow fade, where it's a really slow transition between bright and dim and toggles back and forth. This one just has a really peaceful, calming vibe to it. And then we have mode 7, twinkle flash. And then we have mode 8, which will just stay on in a static state. And you can adjust the brightness or dimness using these minus or plus dim buttons on the bottom of the remote. And to turn it off, use the top right off button on the remote or just tap the button on the green box. As for the assembly process, this is how it comes right out of the box. It's basically the wrapped tree and then this assembly instruction card where you piece together the branches and then shape the leaves to your desired shape, and then the light box and LED lights with the included remote to control them. And then it comes with these moss-like leaves to put on the trunk. So here's how I put it together. I peeled off the plastic wrap on the whole tree and the 2 branches came off. They're so easy to assemble because they're labeled with these stickers. So you just match the 4 arrow to the 4 arrow and push the branch in, and then you match the number 5 to the number 5 branch and just push that branch in. It's really just the 2 branches, so it's a very easy install. And then you can just bend the branches and the leaves manually to fit the shape that you're looking for. Don't forget to peel off those stickers too. Then you can open up the moss leaf bag and pour the leaves into the trunk. I actually only ended up using about half of the moss that came with it for the desired look that I like. And that's really it for the tree assembly. The lights are the last thing, but they are optional. And here's a closer look at the realistic look of those branches. And as for applying the lights to the tree, I found it useful to spread the lights out straight on the ground so it didn't get twisted up. And then I wrapped around the tree slowly to get the desired look, starting from the top. The last decision to make is where you want the green box that powers the lights. I found it most useful to just put it on the ground right behind the pot, but you could tape it to the pot in the back or try to conceal it with the moss. This tree fits so well in so many different areas, and I love the light it gives at night. It fits great in our dining room, living room, even in bedrooms. So there's so many different places you can put this that it just brings some life to the space. And one of my favorite things about it, you don't have to worry about watering it or keeping it in the sun. So that's all for this one. I hope this showed you a lot more of what to expect with this artificial eucalyptus tree. Thanks for watching.